last chance. No beating around the bush.
I don't know. I don't remember.
Blake Production.
Alrighty, yo, let's get this fixed up here. What is poppin'? So we're gonna do a breakdown on Neo here. Haven't done a breakdown on Neo in a little while, eh? I've been slacking. Alright, so for a Neo breakdown, what I've been seeing in the past few weeks that I haven't been covering is this falling wedge pattern, right? We get this pattern here that has 1, 2, kind of 3 areas where we touch, and on the top trend line and the bottom trend line. Nice falling wedge into this $33 demand zone. It's held, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a good zone. And we get the breakout. Now we're seeing the sideways consolidation. I want to see us hold that. This upper trend line is the most important trend line in terms of the big picture, right? Overall. The big picture is that trend line's holding us back. So there's a trend line that's holding us back here. And this is like a triangle pattern. Once we break out, then we'll see the stock run. This is the weekly time frame, right? So I want to see an inside bar in the next coming weeks and build some sort of a bull flag here, because this is kind of like an evening star setup here. So this is kind of signaling that we could come back down to retest lower levels. So something like this might potentially happen where we might get some play around here and come back down, which is okay. I mean, you don't want to see that obviously from a bull perspective. Daily perspective here. Overall, we're still in this massive triangle. Remember, until this big triangle breaks bear, I'm leaning bullish on Neo, in my opinion. You could look at it like that. You could look at it like this, right? So as long as this triangle holds, and it doesn't break bear, this $33 zone is pretty solid. It came back down to 30, but overall this $33 range is nice and solid. If we could hold this, get a break of this upper trend line, then things are starting to look very different. So I'm going to keep an eye on this in the coming weeks, right? The way I think of it, massive, absolutely massive run in 2020. And now we might need that 1 year of consolidation sideways, let things digest, right? Because that was absolutely such a big run in Neo. We went from like 225 to 66, like huge gains. The next leg up could be in 2022. So I'm just paying attention to the stock, watching it consolidate, looking for an increase in volume, hoping it holds this triangle. Basically, that's the update for Neo.